Construction for society, by effectively managing projects, efficiently integrating design, and smartly engineering management tools. This is construction management and engineering, also known as CME. CME is an interfaculty master program between the faculties of Civil Engineering and Geosciences, Architecture and the Built Environment, and Technology Policy and Management. During this master, you will learn to combine managerial competencies with design and engineering skills to maximize the value of the infrastructure and the constructed environment. CME focuses on developing innovative strategies for project and portfolio management and decision-making by assessing data and risks, thus contributing to a sustainable and resilient world to live in. To lead and serve within construction management processes, it's vital to collaborate and communicate effectively with people of diverse talents, characters, and cultural backgrounds. That's why CME is interdisciplinary and integrates behavioral sciences. The vast majority of graduates find work within 3 months. They work with engineering and consultancy firms, large contractors and multinationals, at government institutes, and in research and education. Are you an aspiring bridge builder between engineering and management? Visit the website for more information on construction management and engineering.